How to download and install Footbal Manager on PC. To download and install Footbal Manager, you have to follow the steps. So in this video, I'll be using Steam. So first thing first, make sure that you already have Steam application installed to your device. Next, you simply want to open it up, and once you open up, go to the store section. And when you come to the store, in the right hand side corner, you could see your search bar, right? So there you want to type in Footbal Manager. So after which, when you type in Footbal Manager, you could see a list of suggestions. You want to simply go ahead and click that out. And once you do it, so you want to scroll down and click on Add to Cart. Or you could just go to Add to Library as well. So I'm just going to simply go ahead and add it to my library section. And once it is already added, you could go to the library tab and click on the open button. And here you have, now then you want to click on install button. It's going to take a couple of seconds, so go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt, click on install. And once you've actually done it, so you just need to go ahead and make sure to mark on all the terms and conditions. And lastly, you'll be able to install Footbal Manager. In some cases, you might be asked to purchase the game. So if that's so, then you have to enter in the credit card details and purchase the game. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.